All right, guys, I have a very special announcement. So this week, Thursday, April 10th, from 6 to 8:30, we are doing an open house at one of our luxury high-rise at the Panorama Towers, and I want to see you guys there. Now, let me show you this unit because this unit is actually gorgeous. This is like one-of-a-kind unit. Typically, when these units come up on the market, especially the end cap, they sell very quickly. Now, we did market the property, and within 48 hours, we got an offer, but the offer was not high enough, so we didn't accept the offer. Now, this unit right here features a total of 2,372 square feet. You have 2 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. But now what I really like about this unit is how open it is. Now this unit, we have windows from floor to ceiling. Now this also has 2 balconies and a 180-degree view. It is unbelievable. You literally see the whole city from City Center. You see Harry Reid International. Now, also, if you're like a sports fanatic too as well, check this out. You can literally see the Allegiant Stadium. Now, views all the way up to Summerlin, all the way out west. Now, I highly encourage you guys to come out to this open house April 10th from 6 p.m. to 8:30. All you got to do is scan that QR code right there above so that way we can get you on that VIP list because, look, this is only for invite only, okay? This building is a full concierge. So it is very important that you scan that QR code. Let's get you registered. And also, if you're just a fan of the show and you want to do a meet and greet, I'll be happy to do that. Let's sit down. Let's talk. Also, if you are a real estate agent and you want to shoot content, this is definitely the place that you need to shoot content, especially when the sun starts to set. I mean, oh my gosh, this whole Las Vegas Valley from the balcony lights up. Everything lights up. It's just so crazy. And I hope to see you guys there again on the 10th, 6 p.m. to 8:30. Hope to see you guys there. Make sure to go ahead and scan that QR code right there. Other than that, guys, be blessed. Peace.